Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. It is July 23rd. And your boy made some money. So I'm going to explain how this happened. I trade the Forever model. I'm not the one that came up with it. Justin Werline was the one, along with ICT. Justin Werline just honestly broke it down better for me to understand. So I'm going to help you, or try to help you understand. If you don't know what the Forever model is, I'll show you. I'll give you like a trade breakdown, a process of what I'm thinking, and fractability to make it easier for everybody. So also, just if you're enjoying my videos, if you just wanted to see, like what trade that I took this morning, let's get right into it. So we're here on the daily chart, and what I see is this huge fair value gap, this huge daily fair value gap. And we're at all-time highs, so either, we don't really know where the market wants to go at this point. The only thing I can say is that we're probably going to want to go higher. So your best bet is probably just long in every day until we can get some sort of huge change in the state of delivery on the higher time frame. That being said, we are seeing this being respected, and we haven't broken through it yet. So this is just a sign to me, like we may end up going higher in the future. So we drop down to the 4-hour, and we still have these candles respecting this daily fair value gap. Not a whole lot happening, except we do have a higher time frame SMT correlating with ES. I don't have it pulled up. I guess I could just pull it up right here. But I look at both charts at the same time. Just makes it easier. I'm looking for confluence, as much confluence as I can get. The more confident I'll be in taking a trade. So we had SMT with ES on the higher time frame, dropping down to a 1-hour. At this moment in time, I wasn't really quite sure where we were wanting to go, because I hate how we get chopped up and then we're kind of in the middle of the range here. To me, honestly, it looked like because NQ had already taken out highs, and then yesterday we had a huge down close candle, we did have this change in the state here. And to me, it just made a little bit more sense if we came up 50% of the range and we dropped down to a lower time frame, we could probably find something to go lower. So that was my thought process, because even though we do have all this buy side liquidity here, like we still are pretty high. We're in a premium right now, and I wasn't really looking for longs at this time. It didn't really make any sense. Plus, we've been going up all night. So yeah, this isn't really making much sense, except we do have some low resistance liquidity here. I wanted to see if we could try to take out this low at the end of the day. It looks like we might, but yeah, that's what I was looking for. Going down to the 15-minute just to make things a little bit easier. Are you starting to see how everything is kind of like the same through each time frame? How there's fractability here? Alright, so we're going up, we're going up, we're going up. We retrace to the 50% of the range. We have this buy side liquidity. We have SMT, and we also have a lower time frame 15-minute SMT with ES as well. We did have a turtle soup at market open, and this was where I was like, okay, we might actually be going lower now. I wanted to see us break through the 15-minute fair value gap, close below it, and also close below this green candle and have a change in the state. The only problem I would say that kind of made things a little iffy for me was the fact that this was London low. and that we had already taken. All right, sorry, is it London low or is it? Let me check. Let me check for you guys. Let me make sure that I'm saying things correctly here. Sorry, Asia low. Oh my gosh. Asia low. So we hadn't really taken London high, but in ES we did take London high. And then we had already taken Asia low as soon as the 15-minute had swept liquidity here. That was the only thing that really made things iffy for me if we wanted to go higher. Oh my gosh, this thing is... I need a new computer, guys. I don't know what the fuck is happening with HP. I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose my shit. Okay. You've been a naughty girl. Okay, there we go. Sorry, guys. So yeah, we'll drop to the 5-minute. Same thing. SMT with ES. Turtle soup. Change in the state. Close below the green candle. This is where we retrace up to the 50% of the range. And just to prove that to you, this is premium. This is where I wanted to be. This is where I wanted to see us be first, and then on the 1-minute time frame is where I would want to see the exact same thing, but just on the lower time frame. So we got a turtle soup. We have an SMT. We have a change in the state. There is a fair value gap. We're in premium. On the 15-minute, we close below the 15-minute fair value gap. I want to see us go short. So I'm going to delete that. And then drop to the 1-minute. So I took 10 micro contracts, and my goal was to get at least $500 to $600 because I'm trading 50K Apex funded account, and I'm kind of testing this out. I usually only traded with like 3 to 4 micros, but every time I did, the process was taking so much longer than it had to, and honestly, your boy's trying to make money fast. So I mean, even though this is a game of you need to enjoy the process and quit focusing on the outcome, at the end of the day, you know, take advantage of the market. Don't let the market take advantage of you. So here we are. We retrace up to the 50%. We tap into this 15-minute change in the state. We have another SMT with ES. And then we have a 1-minute change in the state. This is where I took my trade. As soon as this down close candle closed, I took this trade. Little to no drawdown, guys. And we're just going lower. So that's pretty much the forever model. I hope I explained it well. If I didn't, if it's still confusing, please hit me up in the comment section. I'd love to be able to break things down. If this means that I have to teach you what a fair value gap is, then I'll teach you what a fair value gap is. Not to belittle anyone that doesn't know what it is. It's just, I just want to be able to help you guys. So, I hope you guys found this insightful. Yeah, I'm going to be on vacation this weekend. I'll be in Florida. So I'm not sure if I'll be trading tomorrow, but yeah, I'm not going to be having any more daily vlogs this week, or possibly any more screen recordings of my trades this week. But next week we're going to be back at it again. So enjoy the rest of y'all's day. Stay safe. Peace.